Hello and welcome to a new and pretty unusual Grand MA2 tutorials video. First of all, we would like to wish all of our subscribers a very happy new year. We hope you have an amazing 2018. Secondly, we would like to thank everybody who has subscribed to our channel in 2017. We reached about 900 subscribers, which is way more than we ever thought we'd reach, and the support we've been shown the whole time has been phenomenal. We make these videos for you guys, and you are showing us phenomenal support, and it's making us want to make these videos, and it's been amazing. Now to get down to business. Both Lucas and I are quite busy outside of YouTube in the lighting world and in just our personal lives, and because of this, we haven't been able to keep a consistent upload schedule. And we haven't been able to push out as much video content as we want. And this is where we need your help. In all of 2017, we found so much really good content about MH on YouTube, and we realized that there's many people out there who are just like us and want to share their knowledge and help others. And because of this, we've decided to open up our channel, Grand MA2 Tutorials, for all kinds of collaboration. This doesn't mean that you have to do everything from scripting to uploading. If you have an idea that you think would make a great video, you can give us that. If you're willing to write the script, that's excellent. If you're willing to write the script and film it, but you just can't edit it, that's excellent. No matter what you can do, if you can add anything, we want you to get involved. We want to create a platform where everyone can share their ideas, where they can share what they know, and they can help others. And that's what we want to do with this. Now, if you're interested in this, check out the description for a link to a Google form. Using this form, you can apply for a collaboration, and once we've reviewed it, we'll get in touch with you to get the ball rolling on our future video. We really look forward to collaborating with everyone, and we're really excited to see what this can bring. So as I mentioned, if you want to, check out the description for a link. We'll obviously review it once you've submitted that and get in touch. Thank you for watching. We hope to hear from you. Cheers.